gonna go catch and cook some 1, 2, 3. Anyway guys, good afternoon viewers. I'm feeling for a snack. A very exotic snack. 99.9 maybe % of Jamaicans have no idea that it exists and it is edible. You understand? So it's basically a catch and cook video. I'm gonna go catch and cook some sea roach going down the hill. You can see the water already. Oh, me and the little princess. She joined me for this one. She joined me for this one. So stay tuned, guys. Yes, guys. So going down the hill, as you can see, a clear view of the beach already. I understand maybe about 2, maximum 3 minutes walk from my house. You know, I was in the driving mood, but I'm gonna go and find a nice spot. And then I'm gonna see how many sea roaches I can catch. Yeah. So of course I'm gonna catch it, and then I'm gonna show you. The what? The boat. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna see how many I can catch, and give you a close look, and maybe try to explain. You know what I mean? Because this creature is a little bit weird. You understand? But let's see how it goes, yeah? Cool. I'm already on the beach side. I'm already looking catching sea roaches is a bit difficult and you have to know exactly what to look for, yeah? In the daytime it's really difficult, but I'm really positive that I can catch a few. Yeah? So I'm gonna find a nice spot. Maybe build a fire already. And then I'm gonna go hunt the roaches. So not so clean on the beach side, yeah, but it doesn't really matter. Let me see. Okay. I'm gonna use this spot right here. No, I was the one who put these 4 stones here the other night. So I'm going to go a bit further. I'm going to use that spot right here. Yeah. To do all the setting up. So let me just get everything prepared and start. Yes guys, so I got the fire going. Yeah. Got the fire going. So I'm gonna just make sure it's okay, and then I'm gonna start with all the sea roach. I'm gonna put enough big sticks inside so I have the fire burning for a very long time. Maybe that's a bit too big, but let's see. Yes guys, so this is our daddy and daughter bonfire. We light a bonfire, you know what I'm saying? Yes. From one tiny little spark to the whole of that. That is it. All of them nearly get to it, I bucket. Them nearly get to it. So guys, told you that I was going to catch some sea roach for lunch or brunch, or it doesn't matter what. This is my exotic snack. Understand me? Yeah, so I'm gonna be teaching you guys something. Yeah, you can just fry them like shrimp and just eat them. You understand? But to catch them, it's super difficult. At night time, it's just 1, 2, 3, easy. I could just run and catch them free-handed, or those 2 sticks that I have there. That's bait. I set bait for them so I don't have to really like run up and down, you know. So what I have some chicken skin, and I put the chicken skin on the sun and use the stick and shove that as well, not as far, but I mean 2 or 3 inches under the sun, and I just wait. Understand? I'll just put my hand under the meat and just catch them. Very, very easy. Sure. Yes, sir.
Don't make him run him ticklish.
Kitzelig.
Ah!
Yes, girl. So, that is my snack. I'm considering if I should just cook them and eat them now, or I should do that tomorrow. So, I promise you God that I would catch some sea roach and eat them. This is it. I'm fulfilling the promise. Huh?
Like we fried him.
You will finish.
Yo. Don't be young.
I was baking the egg under the sun for maybe about 2 hours. I light the fire and then I put the egg underneath the hot sun. With the hot sun, so I have no idea what the outcome would be or will be.
But it's supposed to 2 hours under one fire.
Now this?
Yes. Wee.
Hot. Make them big.
Schmeckt es? Becky? Das riecht ganz anders, gell? Das riecht nicht wie unsere Eier.
Bisschen anders, aber probieren doch.
Es riecht schon wie Ei, aber nicht so komisch. Ja, das schmeckt anders, ne?
That's real egg.
Ja, unsere sind auch real Egg. Aber
Ja, aber das ist besser.
das schmeckt ganz anders. Schmeckt nicht so komisch.
Was ist besser, das oder in Deutschland?
In Deutschland ist so, wie ich das kenne. Weißt du, so wie das für mich normal ist. Aber das ist nicht so stark, der Geschmack. Das ist einfach. Und das ist irgendwie ein bisschen cremiger. Ja? So
Geil,
richer, ne?
Yeah, rich. It's rich.
Und unsere, wenn du bei uns ein hartgekochtes Ei machst, dann musst du immer Salz drauf machen oder irgendwas. Das
Ja.
kannst du so essen. Das ist
Ja,
lecker.
geil.
Cool.
Yeah. But the common food, them eat kind of different. I mean, the chicken in Germany, you keep them captive, or you feed them processed food, like bag feed and all them things there. These chicken are free. Them just walk around, eat the fruits, mangoes, this, that. So, I mean, sometimes them eat some weird things also, but yo, this is more, I would say, healthier.
Das schmeckt gut.
Yeah, tastes complete, like it's really different from
Ich
the-
glaube aber, wenn du da jetzt ein Spiegelei draus machen würdest, ne, wenn du ein Fry-Egg machst, dann schmeckst du keinen Unterschied, oder? Weil dann ist ja mit dem Öl ist alles kaputt gebraten. Aber so, das schmeckt ganz anders. Aha. Nix verschwenden, gell? Wir haben noch 2. That's it. Make the fire stay overnight and bring the other 2 eggs tomorrow morning.
Yo, that's delicious, man. So guys, we decided that we are gonna just cook the sea roach tonight instead of tomorrow, So you can need another. Hot. Yeah. Good. That's what we're talking about.
And I put one of the other white stone underneath it too. But it not lean.
It have a lean, man. It not lean.
The other side.
Good. So guys, I'm gonna get all the sea roach washed from the sun Yeah? And then I'm gonna be right back. So, this guy, so I'm back. I'm just gonna just say I lose some of the sea roach. I lost some of the sea roach, guys.
So we only had 7 and now we have how many?
I think I have like 6 or so. Right? So, gonna add some cooking oil here.
Pan's supposed to be hot already.
Yeah.
Chopsticks?
Huh?
You make chopsticks.
Or utensil to turn the roaches, you understand me?
It's bubble already.
Eh? The high, eh?
Mm.
Yeah, guys, so. I come close to the fire with them and see what I want. I don't have a lot because I didn't want a lot, so I'm just going to put them inside the pan, yeah, and then I'm going to stir fry them, and then I don't know dinner.
Snack. Snack. 1 handful of roach is not really dinner.
1 handful of roach, guys. It is a far, what you got?
Yeah, and it's smoky. Oh, the poor things then.
Yes, guys, so this basically, it's like shrimp, you know, but it pops a lot. Little bit darker so still. Well, guys, yeah, stir fry some sea roach. Them actually almost ready to, you know. Yeah, guys, put it more to the hotter side, you know. The pot is very big for just a few roach still, but you understand? Just get them a bit more crispy.
And the 2 new egg them.
Yeah, we have 2 new eggs under the sun. You understand? Yeah. Yeah. You want to try them to baby?
Most?
Yeah, man.
Oh, you're not giving me none?
You can eat, man. I can try one. If you want to try one, I can try one. It's up to you. Them look disgusting.
Ja, ein bisschen schon.
Bisschen, yeah?
I can't imagine them taste like much.
Tastes like bug.
It's crispy.
Them come from the sea. Them taste like something from the sea.
Yeah, but
One shot of sealer.
I can't imagine them taste like much.
Like much?
Them just crispy.
Crispy with a little saltish flavor. Kind of shrimpish, but I mean, this ain't different, you know?
Der holt Teller. Also als hättest du lange Socken an mit dem Sand überall.
Crunchy. Smell that? I know you can smell it now. cool it a bit,
Eat it with the legs and everything.
Everything. You know what I mean? Sea roach in Jamaican. The whale wants to eat it, don't it?
Ja, komm, Ami. Ich bin hier in dem Gequalme hier. Komm,
Ja,
eat now.
Yep, I'm ready. Go ahead.
And I'm gonna stand up in that qualm stuff here. I'm gonna sit down. Just don't turn them over that you see the legs.
Yeah guys, so fried sea roach. See it? Fried sea roach. On the beach at night. Understand? This is unknown Jamaican exotic food. You get me? Yeah man. Yes I am. We had to cry. It's a fear factor moment for you,
Ich kann
baby.
das jetzt nicht, ich kann das nicht damit benutzen.
It's a fear factor moment. You're scared.
Sind ja noch ganz warm. Also ich kann mir nicht vor, ich denke, dass die Füße vielleicht eklig sind, weißt du?
Mhm.
Break off the foot.
Warum?
Weil ich das nicht im Mund haben möchte. Wo ist vorne? Hier ist vorne, gell?
Keine Ahnung. Aber 1, 2, 3.
Weißt du, wie das schmeckt?
Und?
Weißt du, wie das schmeckt? Kennst du diese Chips, die so aus Porkfat, Fried
Mhm.
Porkfat?
Aber gut, gell?
Schmeckt wie Fried Porkfat.
Aber geil.
The consistency is same thing.
Yeah, but you were expecting it to taste so delicious, innit?
Ich glaube, wenn ich viel davon esse, wird mir schlecht werden, weil ich an dieses Porkfett denken müsste.
Mhm.
Aber ich habe gedacht, die sind härter. Das ist ganz, weil wenn du drauf beißt, es geht direkt kaputt.
Ja. Aber geil. Willst du
Ja.
noch einen?
Ich will die Füße nicht essen.
Dann mach die Füße ab.
Ja, liegen überall.
You're on a food experience this trip in Jamaica, innit?
Ja. Also die Süßigkeiten sind geiler als.
It's delicious, you know
Es
it.
schmeckt nicht so schlimm, aber dann immer diese Überwindung ist halt eklig.
Ah.
Es schmeckt aber wirklich wie dieses. Wenn du so Speck frittierst.
It's
So.
delicious, man. Delicious. So geil.
Aber schmeckt überhaupt nicht nach Shrimp.
But it tastes like something from the sea, eh?
Nee, schmeckt wie Pork.
Yeah, but people normally would think it tastes weird or
Schmeckt
disgusting.
crispy
or that.
Pork.
No.
Pork fat.
It's just, people just are scared of the fact that it's still actually a roach.
Ja,
Yeah?
sieht halt scheiße aus, ja.
Yeah, and it's sieht scheiße aus, aber es schmeckt nicht so. Why me that, German?
Ich weiß es
I mean,
nicht.
it look weird and people think it weird and blah blah, but it really not taste like that.
Nö, ist eigentlich.
As when she just said, it tastes like fried pork fat. Like, when you have a weird expectation and probably disgusting or tastes weird, but when you actually eat it, nothing like that.
Ja, und die Konsistenz
Not
ist
like
halt wie diese Chips, die man kaufen kann. Dieses Speck.
Crispy.
Dieses
Einfach,
Speck.
Ja,
Weißt
ja.
du? Dieses Schweinespeck,
ja.
Bacon. Wie so
Willst du die
aufge...
letzte oder soll
Nee, kannst du ruhig essen.
ich? Geil.
Für Oma. Kannst du die jetzt essen.
Yeah, I learned this from my grandma.
Don't make it drop in on the
No
sun.
drop, man. You drop, I'm gonna wash it off and eat it. Understand? But still, guys, yo.
Für Oma.
Mm.
Njam, njam, njam.
Yeah, and the legs.
Nichts wegschmeißen. Und ablutschen. Komm, lutsch ab.
So, finish guys. So, can't say you Jamaican didn't learn something. Try it. Awesome.